My dear artists, let's talk about tonalism, a style that emerged in the late 19th century, focusing on mood, atmosphere, and soft, muted colors. It often features dreamy landscapes with misty twilight or dawn scenes, using earthy tones like browns, blues, and greens. The goal is to create a calm, introspective vibe rather than sharp details or bright contrasts. Tonalism emphasizes simplicity and harmony. Key artists such as George Innes and Albert Pinkham Ryder made the style famous, capturing the quiet beauty of nature in a poetic and evocative way. The reason I'm bringing up the topic of tonalism is that this style is perfectly suited for oil pastels. I've always been captivated by tonalism's depth and mystical atmosphere, and when I started using oil pastels, I finally felt I could create works filled with that same sense of depth. Of course, such paintings look stunning on a larger scale, but today we'll try this style using a photo reference on a smaller format like A4 or letter size. But promise me this, once you've mastered the technique, you'll create a painting in this style on a larger scale. Deal? Deal, I'm sure. Alright, so let's talk about our photo reference. I chose this photo because, on my opinion, it has everything that is important in tonalism. Let's talk about this. So, this photo has muted colors, earthy tones that create a moody, atmospheric feel. It has hazy atmosphere, a misty landscape, and soft light transitions that add mystery. It has soft forms, blurred edges that focus on mood over detail. It has light and shadow, gentle tonal shifts that create depth and glow. And overall, it is a nature theme with serene forest, water, and some fields that evoke solitude. So, what do you say? Sounds like fun? I'm really eager to start.